Hi, it's Gerald here from Langston Motorsports. As you guys know, or should know, hope you know, we're doing a build-off. It's myself, the original GL. We're building we've got a team in the workshop. We're building a 1992 KX500, and the other team is my son Grant, and he's got the other half of the workshop, and they're building a 1999 Ricky Carmichael tribute bike. So where we are right now is Azaz has done a fantastic job building this engine. We've taken it completely apart, vapor blasted it. We've put new bearings and seals in, new hardware. It looks great, new piston, re-Nickersil, everything's been done. But today our VHM head came in, and I'd like to talk a little bit about that. Well, today our VHM head came in for the KX500. What a beautiful piece of machining this is. So we'll be doing away with the old head, which quite frankly weighs a ton, but we still got to factor in the insert, but I'll get to that later. The big benefit of this head is that it comes with a decompressor. You can see there's two holes, and there's a tiny little hole there. These things are a beast to start, and decompressor is like a godsend. You see it opens and lets some of the air out. The kit comes with all new hardware. It comes with instructions, and instead of using a head gasket like the old one, we'll be doing away with that because the VHM head uses O-rings. You can see that. So let me tell you a little bit more about the benefits of a VHM head. Well, first of all, let me just say that Langston Motorsports has been an importer, and we've been exclusive for VHM since about 1998, and we've sold so many of these, and we never have comebacks or anything like that. It's such a beautiful product. It's made in Holland by VHM, obviously. Grant won his world championship on it. We're a staunch believer in it, but let me tell you the big benefits. Because this is milled out, you have a much bigger, and that's machined down, you have a much bigger water jacket inside. It's smoother. The flow of the water is better than a head that's cast. You have smaller water jackets. Because of casting, you have pieces of material sticking out and obstructing the flow. So these heads run a lot cooler. In fact, in the early days, they used to call them cool heads. That's the major benefit, because everyone knows that heat robs you of horsepower. When the engine gets really hot, you're losing a lot of horsepower. So that's the first reason. The second reason, these head inserts are machined out of a very tough aluminum, so they can go a little bit thinner. So the heat transfers from inside here into the water jacket, again keeping it cooler. But VHM don't stop at that. They continuously testing, trying to find more horsepower out of their heads. And you don't have to have one insert. You can have different types of inserts, like a motocross insert and a supercross insert. You get different. That being said, I'm going to hand over to Azaz, and he's going to put the head on. Thanks for watching.
Here's a little tech tip when inserting a two-piece head. Put your spark plug in to hold it down as you install.